Hey, what's up everyone? Today, in this video, I will show you how to replace iPhone 8 Plus screen. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Here on my workbench, I have an iPhone 8 Plus with cracked screen. We're gonna to replace it. Also, you can see all tools we need on this work. Let's start. Make sure you shut the power off before you go ahead. There are two pentalobe screws on the bottom of phone which near the charging port. Use the pentalobe screwdriver to remove them. This time, we use the metallic tool to pry the screen apart. When a little bit gap shows up between the screen and case, we change to use a plastic prying tool. We will insert it here between the frame and the glass. We will pry up gently, slide it on the edge, just carefully, don't go deep inside. Alright, then we open it like we are opening a book. There are two connections on the right side of phone. We are gonna to use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew these screws. The first one, important one, try to make sure to not mix the screws, because they are different sizes and shapes. Alright, it's open now. Then we have this bracket here, and just lift it up like this. Now, we are gonna to remove the screws on the top of phone. We want to go ahead to disconnect the battery flex cable. Great, the screen is now separated. Then we are gonna to remove the components from the screen. Go ahead, locate the top of the screen and remove screws that are securing the bracket. The bracket holds the earphone speaker and the camera in place. Remove the screws and then lift up, move the bracket to the side. Now, we can gently lift up the camera over the left side, then pick the speaker up. Then we'll need to transfer the home button that's at the bottom of the screen. Unscrews the screws on the bracket that secured the home button. Alright, lift up the bracket and put it at the side. We are gonna to remove the screws on the both side of frame. Then, we are going to remove the home button and camera. I use 99% isopropyl alcohol to drip in. Using the alcohol, it does break down the adhesive. Gently use the tweezers to disconnect the cable and pry up the home button. Good. Here we are. Now, we are gonna to remove the camera. Gently to move it left and right, loose it from the adhesive, then lift it up. Now, go ahead and start peeling through the shield on the back. We are now going to reassembly and prepare our new screen. Lay the shield in, just lay it down and make sure it's aligned properly. Then secure with the screws on the side. Now, go ahead, we are going to reinstall the home button. Put the home button at the proper place. Reconnected the cable. Perfect, then secure with bracket and rescrew those screws. Now, we are going to reinstall the camera and speaker. Alright, we are gonna to reconnect the flex cable of new screen. Go ahead, then put the bracket back and re-screw all screws. Turn the power on and check the touch screen before we put the two screws back on the bottom of phone. Appreciate your watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you'd like to see in future videos. See you in the next videos.